Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to repost full reel on Instagram. For this, first of all, go and open your Instagram app and then go to Reels and select the reel you want to repost. For example, if I want to repost this reel to my story, I will just click on this send button and you can see the first option I have add to story. I will click on it and you can see I'm able to repost this reel as my story. But in case if the reel is long and it is like 30 seconds or 1 minute, then you need to go back and again just click on the send button, and after that click on copy the link. Now the link is copied, and here you will go back and you will go to Google Play Store and you will search for Repost for Instagram, and here you can see I have different search results, but this is the app Repost for Instagram photos and stories. You need to install this app in your device and then tap on open button. After this, as I have copied the link, so it has detected this reel automatically, so it is in my list. I will click on this, and after that you can see I have two options in the options bar. First, add to story. The second is send direct. I will click on add to my story, and you can see from here I will be able to add this reel as my reel or my story. That's it from today's video, guys. If you are new to our channel, like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Take care.